Adding a camera to your podcast recording sessions changes things a bit. Suddenly, you have to perform in front of a camera, which can be very frustrating, especially if you don't have experience making videos. Transitioning from recording audio to recording audio and video doesn't have to be complicated. After watching this video, you'll feel confident about getting in front of the camera and to start podcasting on YouTube. Hello and welcome to the Pod Sound School channel, the place to be for all things podcasting. I'm Veronica, and one of the things I enjoy the most is helping my clients to get out of their heads and feeling confident in front of the mic and the camera. You decided to incorporate video into your workflow and you've been planning to record your podcast episodes and videos for your YouTube channel. But every time you hit the record button, you get nervous, start feeling insecure, and stumble upon your words, and something that was supposed to be fun turns into a train wreck. I get it. I've been there. Recording videos requires a different set of skills you are not used to or haven't developed yet. In this video, I will cover some useful tips that will help you prepare to deliver your best performance. Yes, I say performance. Every time you get in front of the microphone or the camera, you are performing for an audience. The same as getting in front of people in a live event. So the sooner you get into this mindset, the easier it will be for you to get into character and deliver a good performance. But before we move on, let me ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you're notified every time we release a video. Okay, are you ready? Let's get to it. Tip number 1. Feel confident and passionate about your topic. The way we feel about our topic plays a huge role in our performance. If we feel passionate and excited about what we have to say, the more we'll be able to show it in our videos. Let me give you an example of this. So this is me with no excitement. Hello, I'm Veronica. And one of the things I enjoy the most is helping my clients and students to get out of their heads and confident in front of the mic and camera. And this is me excited. Hello, I'm Veronica, and one of the things I enjoy the most is helping my clients and students to get out of their heads and start feeling confident in front of the mic and camera. We want to look excited because it's very hard for the viewer to perceive how we feel inside if we don't project it to the camera. This is why it's very important to feel passionate and excited about your topic. Not only excited because you're creating podcasts and videos and you're turning into this master at content creation, but eager to share your knowledge and information with other people. When you make the shift from thinking about yourself, your insecurities, and what people will think about your performance, to think about others and how they will benefit from the information, your performance will improve significantly. Your passion for your subject will show, and this will make for a better performance on your videos. Tip number 2, performance. There are so many aspects that go into delivering a good performance that I won't cover in this video for the sake of time. But in my experience, these are the 3 aspects that can make a huge difference in your performance: posture, confidence, and mastering the subject. Let's talk about posture. Posture is very important, not only because having a good posture shows confidence, but also because of your breathing. If you're hunched over your desk or leaning way back on your chair, this can affect your breathing, and breathing can affect your tone. And if you can't breathe, this will affect your overall performance. It's important to sit up and stand tall so you can breathe better. This will help you to project your voice into the camera so your viewers can understand what you're saying. Having a good posture also allows you to use your hands when you're speaking. I use my hands a lot when I talk. Using your hands when you talk makes you look more real and animated. Our goal when we podcast and make videos is to sound and look natural. If you move your hands when you talk, like me, it's okay to move your hands when you're making your videos. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence comes from feeling good about yourself, the information you're about to give, and the setting you'll be recording your videos in. The more we plan and prepare for these 3 aspects, the more we'll feel confident. When it comes to feeling good about yourself, things like having a good night's sleep, hydrate, wearing something that you know you look good in, and doing those things that can make you feel good about your personal appearance will boost your confidence significantly. Feeling good about the way you look will help you get into the mindset and energy you want to transmit in your videos. Also, setting up your recording area the night or the day before is something that we do to be more efficient and to reduce stress on our shooting days. You don't want to be moving things around and troubleshooting equipment, because this can cause a lot of stress and frustration and can get you out of your performance mindset. Things like setting up your camera, lighting, backdrop, microphone, and knowing that the equipment is working correctly, batteries are charged, and everything is in place will boost your confidence and free up mental space for you to focus on your performance. The other aspect that makes a difference in your performance is understanding what you'll be talking about really well. Even if you have experience and are well versed in your topic, it's always a good idea to have a script or outline for your videos. Your YouTube videos should be concise, to the point, and answer specific questions people are looking for on YouTube. There are also ways to craft your video intros for more engagement, audience retention, and channel growth. Having a script or outline will help you stay on point and control the exact information you want to deliver. Also, something I do is to read my script out loud. Sometimes the way I write is not necessarily the way I speak. My writing includes a lot of fancy words and more complex sentence structures. When I practice and read my script out loud, I can replace words so it sounds more conversational. Practicing your script or outline will make you feel more confident about your performance. I cover performance more in detail in our program Smart Podcasting on YouTube. We created this program specifically for podcasters who want to start podcasting on YouTube and leverage the YouTube algorithm to grow their audience and influence. For more information, go to the link in the description of this video. Tip number 3, practice and fluidity. Like everything else in life, rinse and repeat is how you will get better at making videos. You will make a lot of mistakes. It will not feel natural initially, but the more videos you make, the more improvement you will make in your performance. Even though there are other things you can do to practice your performance in front of the camera, like making short videos for social media, there's no way around putting in the work. Be patient with yourself. Something I tell my clients is that every piece of content they put out is an opportunity for market research and polishing their skills. Recording your podcast in front of the camera is a new step you will include in your content creation. Remember how it felt the first time you recorded your first podcast episode? Be patient with yourself and always be quick and willing to adapt when things don't go your way. Gather feedback from your audience and do it all over again, each time applying new ways and new techniques to make you better. And if you need some extra help, the Pod Sounds Cool team is here to help you. Please make sure you check our Smart Podcasting on YouTube program and all of the resources we offer here in our channel and in our social media. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share your channel in the comments below. And before we go, 2 things. No olviden hacer la tarea. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy casting, amigos! Suddenly you have to perform. No, but we have to celebrate because getting performance out of me is like, yes!
I love it.
2 sentences in.
Ooh.
After what, I had like a huge saliva coming out of me.
Oh boy.
But let me ask you to subscribe to our channel before. Ay, maldita sea. Ay, madre de todos los cielos. Also, something. Elsie?
Elsie, darling.